everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again, and what I'm trying to do now, I've got to tackle this top bit. You can see how much it's got out of hand. I don't know what these are. I hope the roots don't go down too far, and I've got all these what's come up, all stinging nettles mixed with other weeds, what I don't know what they are, so I'm going to try and get those out. And I was moving a bag, and then they're all dispersed now, and these are the ants what I'm having the problem with. Let my cameraman go a bit closer. They're the red ants. Those are what was in the polytunnel, and the black ones as well. I've put it down some cinnamon powder, and that seemed to have made them disappear a bit. So I'm going to put some ant powder on this one because I'm coming back to this area. So hopefully that'll get rid of them by the time I get over to here. So hopefully that'll get rid of those ones there. Sometimes you put these ant powder and stuff and they don't work, so I'm putting this one there and see what happens. So I'm going to start seeing if I can pull up some of these and then start getting it digging, because I need to get it ready for my squashes and everything. So I've put a thick layer of manure on there from last year, but this is the results of the rain and not being able to get down there as often as I would like. So I'm going to make a start on this and see how far we get. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've made a start, we've got the area. I started digging up now. It's not that hard to dig because I put a layer of about a 6-inch layer of manure, which in some places it seems to have rotten down more than the other. So I'm just carrying on with this. I've got all the fencing and everything, and I've got these twigs from that tree. I've got that tree to trim down again when I get a chance, when I get over to that side. So meanwhile my cameraman's just getting these ones out so I can come, when I come this way and then come back this way and work back down. You see the grass, I can't do nothing with that area until once I get the strimmer, then I'll just clear everything, get these woods and everything cleared out. So my daughter was with me today. She was just potting one of my, I've got a banana hot pepper, a banana one, and I've got my peanut plants what I repotted, and then I had lily what I saw coming up from last year, what was coming up when I emptied the pots, and that seemed to have sprung back to life. So I just asked her to repot that. So meanwhile I'm just doing this. So just gonna carry on with this and see how far I'll get. I'm not staying down there late because I've got things to do. The sweet potato slips now. The last lot sold over the weekend, so I haven't got no more sweet potato slips. So don't contact me about those, because people wait till the last minute and then they contact you about things. So there's no sweet potato slips left, neither the soft skin or the purple skin. There's none left. I've got some left up, but I'm going to be using them for myself when I'm ready. I want to plant some in bags. So that's what's going on down there. So I'll be back with you when we've got some of this area cleared, and this might take me a couple of days to do, or another couple of days, but I need to clear all this area because I want to go right back to the compost thing. It's just how it is at the moment, so we just have to persevere with it. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I'm just watering my flowers. My back couldn't take no more up there. So I'm just watering the plants. My daughter watered them, so I'm just watering these ones up here. And my potatoes, I don't know, the snails have just really attacked these. And I don't know if some of them are ready. Well, I'm going to give them a couple of more weeks, and then the ones what are dying down and yellowing, I'll take those ones out and see if there's potatoes, because I know some was early ones. The ones what are still green, I'll leave those ones, and these ones what are yellow, I'm going to empty one and see if there's potatoes in there, because I don't like my potatoes too big. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you on them. I see they've eaten my sage and my tarragon, the snails. There's certain things what they eat and certain things what they don't eat. So my rhubarb. I don't know. I'll have to look at this next time I come and see how big they are. Right, so that's all the watering done. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so just in my polytunnel now. Just sorting out putting this pepper on this shelf. My daughter watered in there for me, so everything's nicely watered. Just rest. I don't want no more ants to start forming nests. This is just getting ridiculous now with these ants. See my sweet potatoes, that's where they keep forming the nests. I just came and I saw a little mound and raked it up a bit, and there's ants underneath, so got some cinnamon powder somewhere. Yeah. Came down and the polytunnel smelled nice. Cinnamon. Got to get some turmeric as well. So I'm just putting a lot of cinnamon down there, so when I water next time I can just wash that in a bit. Just get it off the leaves. As you can see, the sweet potato, how much it's running. The Beauregards are just starting to run. You can see they're not doing as well as my ones. Just putting some cinnamon powder. Hopefully that'll help to disorientate them. Every time I go to the shop I keep forgetting to get some turmeric or turmeric. Right, I'll show you how my ones are doing. You can see with my ones how thick the vine is. These are all the purples and soft skins in there. So you can see how those ones are doing. The one in the bag, this is it here. can see how thick that is, and it's going that way, but I'm gonna, once I clear out in here a bit, then I'll sort it out. You see my Scotch bonnets out there starting to widen up and stretch. That's what I wanted. I didn't want them starting right now, so that's them. These are the Okawanis. They were grown in water, so they're a bit slower, so I have to get to those. So these are the sweet potatoes. You can see where they're running and going right across the floor now. So what you do, you just get them like that. That's how high they will be if you think so. I'll just get them and wrap them back around into the pot. But once I sort out everything in here, then I'll do that. So hope you enjoyed this one. I know it's not nothing much. Still waiting for the strimmer so I can get this grass sorted out. That's just the main thing really. Don't know why that's still hanging on. Once I see all these are getting tangled up now, but I just want to put the cinnamon on there just to disorientate them a bit. So everything's coming along nicely. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care.